Hey, how's it going, dude?
Hey, pretty good. Wait a minute. You got 2 trees and no shoes?
We're supposed to fix this tree. Let's try to plug it in. No. Probably just a burnt out bulb. So let's swap one out. Looking at these things, it looks like every single one of the bulbs is blown out, but we can test them. What we're gonna do is pull out. When you pull out this, one bulb should short circuit the whole thing. And we'll put in this new bulb. And the new bulb doesn't light up, but the rest of the line does.
This represents a pretty intelligent design. Instead of the whole light chain failing when one bulb burns out, these white ones are equipped with a bypass filament to keep the rest of the chain lit. Okay, as always, if all the lights fail, check your fuse. There's usually 2 of them. We'll switch the multimeter to diode or continuity. If it beeps, the fuses are still good.
Okay.
There we go. So power is getting through the white. Just something is stopping this. And it's probably every single bulb is out. Let's test a few more. And if not, I guess we just swap the whole string.
Easier said than done. These lights are twisted in a tight bird's hive.
This actually takes a while, doesn't it?
It does.
There's 50 of them. I feel like I got the end here. Because there's nothing, well, I don't know.
Yeah, I feel like I got the end here. And I got the end here.
Oh, never mind. That's the other thing. It's just, I'm stupid.
Poor Chinese guy who had to do this, or Indian guy.
Definitely Chinese. Isn't it weird how, like, you can tell when you have to poop? Like, how, I mean...
It's peeking.
Or, like, you can go, oh, I'm at, like, about 30%.
So this side move.
Oh!
There. That's easier.
Giving birth.
Oh, it pooped.
Dad.
Okay, so what are we doing here?
Trying to figure out which one of these first is the line terminal. So that's the line terminal. So we have resistance between the line to this, so we have continuity.
If everything from this clip to here is good, if we snip this wire and reconnect those 2 wires and put in, and at least have one bulb that's functional, it should light up, right?
Right, yeah. If all these bulbs are rated for 120 volts, yeah.
Okay, let's try it.
This bulb has no bypass, so once this bulb burns out,
Then it'll never work.
it'll never work again.
Okay.
If you're okay making that risk. I'm gonna hold this so I don't want it to shock anybody. I'll let you plug it in.
Ready? For fireworks?
Oh, you just burnt it out.
Burnt out that bulb.
That bulb. It lit up and it turned off.
So that was too much current.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. But we found out. What did we find out?
We found out that well, this part of the string works with the bypass. We found that out.
So all those are properly bypassed.
Yeah.
So now we found out that we have a problem with this string. So what are we gonna do? We're gonna buy a whole new string and string that tree. And so what I decided to do, since I know she loves Easter, I got some pastel lights.
The one and only problem with our new pastels is the short wiring from the first bulb to the outlet. So we'll salvage a little bit from our old string.
That's a really good stripper.
Always nice to have a good stripper in the house.
Definitely. Not funny.
Boys.
Why is it blue? My worst favorite color.
That was pretty bad.
That's a pretty shitty solder joint, but who cares? For testing, we'll sleeve them just so nothing dumb happens.
Yep. It works.
Excellent.
Let's repair that derpy solder joint.
It works so nice.
That's good. Are we plugged in? Are we plugged into anything?
No.
There you go. I figured it out.
You got it. I don't know.
Do you feel like you got, this was like false advertisement of what this project was?
Yeah. How do you like the pastel, Naomi?
I don't know, it looks a little too Eastery.
Is this all we have?
Mm-hmm. Maybe we just.
I didn't even get anywhere.
What? For real?
Yep.
We almost have to just go like a Christmas tree
You
and then
have
just
to-
wrap it on.
You just have to, yes, that's what you need to
That's
do.
what
Do we
we're
And
need
then
to
just-
wrap it first?
And wrap it, the whole thing first, and then just clip it
Yeah.
where there's clips.
Let's take our
close, because you don't
clips
have
off.
And maybe the clips aren't going to be in the same spot.
No, they won't be.
Right.
So just take all your clips off.
Undo everything.
Undo all your clips.
Okay.
Yeah.
Undo all the work that you just did in the last 20 minutes. Oh my goodness.
Yeah. Imagine trying to.
Who designed this?
Some Chinese guy.
Yeah. He got paid 3 cents this day. What are you doing?
We're going around.
Yeah.
Oh, are you guys decorating?
Yeah, we're decorating.
Okay. I was still untangling.
We untangled down here already.
Yeah.
We're getting this show on the road.
See if you would have
I don't know why it gets
spent more
stuck.
time untangling, you wouldn't have this problem.
No, we're doing it.
We're not having a problem.
We're just
Alright.
yelling at each other.
No, I was yelling at the tree. I
Oh,
wasn't
yeah.
yelling at you.
Oh my gosh. It looks like someone is choking it.
No, it'll be fine.
It'll be fine because
Because we'll
we're gonna clip it all over.
and then fluff it, and it'll look
Okay.
better than ever.
You can plug it in
Okay,
even.
can we
and see
plug it in?
Yeah.
Should we turn off the light too? Ready?
That doesn't look bad. Looks pretty good.
That looks kind of cool.
So then
Why
it
these
did-
things wouldn't work.
No, and then
Theory
and they had
eyes.
to disentangle
Theory eyes.
this.
She was giving me the theory eyes. Yeah, so what's gonna look the best? Near the root?
Not black, but
Before we do that,
do you want to make sure it works?
yes, I'm gonna cap these off and then plug it in. Hold up, hold up, hold up, hold up, hold up. Yep, let's try it.
Yep.
Yes. I can smell it.
It's already melting. There.
I smell that crap.
Yeah, it was melting.
Actually, we gotta put the cord over here, don't we? There. Oh gosh, the whole thing is melting.
No.
That was a great idea.
Yeah.
How did that idea come out so good?
With everything put back together, I was excited to surprise her with our masterpiece.
Katie,
What?
come here a second. Check it out.
Oh my gosh, huh?
Since I know she loves Easter, I got some pastel lights.
Pastels.
What's wrong with that?
It's kind of Eastery. Oh, well, you know what? That's gonna be okay because you can just fix this tree and do clears.
Maybe.
Oh, let's redo it. Sorry.
I didn't hit it. Katie!
What?
Come